Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just to give you a mechanic tip, if you ever see a vehicle and your check engine light is flashing, it is telling you that you are misfiring. Stop driving the car, pull it over. If you can get somewhere, park it and stop driving. What happens is, this is a 4-cylinder vehicle. 1, 2, 3, 4. If one of these are misfiring, the piston is not combusting and the raw gas is going into the catalytic converter. When that happens, you start messing up your catalytic converter and you're driving not on all your right cylinders. If you have 4 cylinders, 6 cylinder, 8 cylinder, I don't know how many cylinders you have. But if you ever see on your dashboard and it is flashing, a little engine light is flashing like this, just flashing at you, you are misfiring. You are literally misfiring. Again, do not drive the car the way it is. This is just a mechanic tip. This will happen to you once in your life, and so you'll know exactly what to do and then go for it. Replace the coil pack and the spark plug. Just do both of them, get it over with at one time and one time only. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.